Please, God.
Man, fuck you! You stupid ass bitch! Let's go!
Spell Pele in the chat right now. Spell Pele in the chat. Spell Pele in the chat. Arenota Kovic. Wait, Naruto? Or Naruto? Or Narutovic? Spell that Pele in the chat. Spell that Pele in the chat. No, bro. Yeah. Yeah? Spell that Pele in the chat. Spell that Pele in the chat. Spell that Pele in the chat. We gotta get Pele for the squad. Spell that Pele in the chat. Right now. Spell that Pele. Give me him. Give me Pele, please, bro. Bristol City. We got Scott from Birmingham. Bro, give me Pele, please. All I want is Pele. All I want is Pele. All I want is Pele, bro. Fuck these other guys, bro. Pele. Pele? No. Pele! No, bro. No. No! Pele! Ah! Who the fuck is this black motherfucker? Oh my god! Fofiana? No! Give me fucking Pele, goddammit! Or I will kill you, bro! Lukaku! Lukaku! Oh my god, bro. Why is it so hard to get him now, bro? It's like so hard to get like these good players now, bro. game. Hey! Fucking Pelly.